Fall is in the air, and there is nothing better than a cup of homemade crockpot cider to embrace this season. It only takes 5 minutes to prep, then let the crockpot work its magic. The recipe is quite simple. Start with a mix of apples, an orange, and a lemon. Add 2/3 cup of cranberries, 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks, a teaspoon of whole cloves, and feel free to skip this step if you aren't a fan of cloves and add another spice of your liking. The next step is completely optional. I added a dash of honey to sweeten up my recipe, but you could also add other sweeteners such as sugar or maple syrup. Now all that's left to do is add water and set your crock pot on high for 4 hours or low for 6. Did I mention the recipe will fill your house with a cinnamon citrus aroma? It is absolutely incredible. Now grab a utensil and start mashing the fruits to release the juices. Make sure to do this step thoroughly, then let simmer for an additional hour. After that, strain the scraps and enjoy! I had so much fun making this recipe today and cannot wait to make more to share with loved ones throughout this season. Cheers!